Hi guys, it's me Andreas and I am back with another Minecraft video that might blow your minds. So, I am going to start by showing you my pets. So, this is my wolves. As you can see, they've got pink, red, I think that one's brown colour. And yeah, and if you can see where my parrot is, he is on me. See guys? See?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of like go outside quick and show you. Look, this is the outside.
It's like a swimming pool. Wow, I like your door.
And I can jump from my my room. Look.
Oh, cool. Do it. Let's see. You can go and jump in that pool.
Yeah. So let's go back into my room now. Going out and after. Wee-hoo!
Is your parrot jumping in there with you? Oh, look, he's coming too. He's following. What's his name? What are you going to call your parrot?
Oh, his name's Ben.
Ben. Cool.
And he flies all the way
Hi,
to
Ben. Me. Where are you flying to? Don't fly away.
No, he's tamed from me.
Oh.
If you give a parrot beetroot seeds, I think you can tame it. Hi.
Oh, I think he likes swimming.
Where is he? Oh, he's on me.
Oh, well, at least ain't drowned.
Oh no, now he's gone again.
Ben, what are you doing? Ben, get out of the water!
He follows me, that's why.
Wow, is that the inside of your
Where
house?
is he?
Ben, come out!
Don't say that. No, come back. This is as hard as I thought. Why is he just following me? Oh, in the pool at night time.
Andreas, what inspired you to make this?
I saw a Minecraft video that almost looked the same, and I kind of got inspired from that. So, this is the inside. That was close. Now, how I get my my parrot off is right there. So I'm just going to get him back on. You jump, and then the parrot comes off you. So in the chest here is this one, nothing. Enchanted table, picture of an axe.
What are them things? They're your wolves?
Yeah, I've got.
They live with you?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're tamed by me, and also I've got a parrot.
I'd be scared to live with wolves.
Look at these. Look how much things I've got on my chest.
Oh, wow.
I even made my own clothes. And this is my bed. I'm going to sleep in it because it's nighttime in Minecraft.
Alright, can I say goodnight then?
And guys, that is pretty much everything. See you in the next video. And
bye,
parrots,
Benny.
say bye.
Bye, Ben.